Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make your roasted pumpkin at home. This is a very great way to flavor your pumpkin so it can bring out all the natural sweetness of the pumpkin. It can also be enjoyed as a side dish, so stay tuned. So we are going to start by cutting the pumpkin into half, then slice them, peel the pumpkin seed and remove the pumpkin seed. Please, you can also check out my video on how to make your roasted and tasty pumpkin seed at home. Please, you don't have to throw away your pumpkin seed. They are loaded with nutrients like magnesium, zinc. So you can check out my video on how to make your tasty roasted pumpkin seed. So when I'm done peeling and removing the pumpkin seed, so I'm going to be cutting the pumpkin into smaller cubes. To season the pumpkin, I'm going to be adding white pepper, thyme, chili pepper, and salt. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice like rosemary, nutmeg, cinnamon. You can customize it to your taste. So when I'm done adding all the ingredients, I'm going to mix them together, then spray it on the pumpkin. Make sure that I mix it properly. When I'm done adding all the spices, I'm going to add this into an oven tray. I will add coconut oil. You can decide to spray any oil of your choice. Then add this into a preheated oven and allow to roast for about 25 or 30 minutes and flip it from time to time so that it can roast to both sides. Finally, the roasted pumpkin is ready. You can pair this with your rice, chicken, potato, or any food that you like. This is a great way to enjoy your pumpkin at home. I hope you try this.